In Unit 20, we're going to talk about the areas of squares, rectangles, and parallelograms. The first thing to remember that area is always expressed in square units: square feet, square yards, square meters, square kilometers, square inches, whatever. So the first rule about squares is the area of a square is equal to one of its sides times itself. So say this is a 2-inch square. 2 times 2 equals 4 square inches. That's simple enough. Let's get that out of the way. Let's do a different one. Let's say this was equal to 5 meters. 5 meters. 5 meters square times 5 meters equals 25 meters squared. Again, simple enough. We'll do one more just to bring it home. Let's say this was in yards. So 3 yards. 3 times 3 equals 9, or 9 square yards. So let's move on down to the next one, rectangles. In this one, the rule says that the area of a rectangle is equal to its length times its height. So let's say its length was 10 meters, and its height was 50 meters. 10 times 50 equals 500 meters squared. Very simple, very simple. Let's change it into something else. Let's say the length was kilometers. Let's say the length was 1,000 kilometers, and its height was 20 kilometers. 1,000 times 20 equals 20,000 kilometers squared. Let's move on to the parallelograms now. Parallelogram says the area of a parallelogram is equal to its base times its height. So here's its base. You see the base is the same length as its top. The height, its two sides are the exact same length too, but you're not going by the length of the sides, you're going by the height of the sides. So let's say this base was 10 miles, and its height was 5 miles. 10 times 5 equals 50 square miles. So let's do just one more of these. Let's say the base was 100 feet, and the height was 25 feet. This would be 2,500 square feet. If you were 100 times 25 equals 2,500 square feet. Or you could write it as 2,500 feet squared. Both of these are accurate. So let's scroll down a little bit, and we will do one or two questions from the book. Let's look at question number 3. This seems to be a question that causes most people problems. It's word problems are seem to be a problem for most everyone, but this is a very realistic one. This is the type of question that you might be asked each day if you were quoting a part. How much would you charge for each part to make a profit? As a worker, you would want to know what your rate was based on. This is saying that you would make this many parts in an hour in order for the company to make a profit. So let's just start with reading it. It says a person working on a surface grinder is paid 8 cents per square inch of finished surface. The pieces that are being ground are rectangular in shape and are 4¼ inches long by 2¾ inches wide. An average of 8½ pieces are ground each hour. How much does this worker make in an 8-hour day? So let's just say what we do know. What does it tell us? No, we're getting paid 8 cents per square inch of finished surface. The finished surfaces are 4¼ by 2¾ They can do an average of 8½ pieces per hour, and they're working an 8-hour day. So let's start with the beginning. What do we know? We know that we're going to grind this area 4.25 by 2.75. If we multiply those together, we get 11.6875 square inches. Now we can do 8½ of these an hour, so times 8.5. So in 1 hour's time, you can grind a combined area of 99.34375 square inches. And you're going to get paid 8 cents per square inch. So if we multiplied this times 0.08, you can get your calculators out and check my numbers. By multiplying all this together, you would be making $7 at 0.9475 cents per hour. And in an 8-hour day, it rounds out to 63.58 cents per day. I think we've covered everything. The question is, how much does this worker make in an 8-hour day? There you go, $63.58. Don't quit your day job. If you have any questions, as always, see me in class. I hope this helps, and we will see you next time.